Unicorn I had swagger like bitches, cause I'm so incredible, they not compatible to me. Eat them up like I was Hannibal, they cattle to a beast. Graduated from the hunger, now it's rappers that I feast. And I'm coming for each and every one that you said I couldn't do. Now I'm swiggity swagging, oh you bums on this interview. Call it an interlude, talking to you in the fools. Got nominated, I know they hate it, they sick of dudes. But if you're sick of new, I feed the lanes of Theraflu. Get a man and buy a coupe and drop the roof and just the cruise. Show you what the swagger do is on the highest altitude. They can't fit my sneaker shoe, the best rapper attitude. See the young get in his on the beach, you see the features on my face. I can't erase it, go, my swag is so amazing, home. Catch me at the top of throne with Big J and Pac alone. Rolling like a Carmelo, the next best is on.
Yo, the best to do it named B.I.G. And my flow so tight, that's why I'm T.I.E. Really hope I do it right, cause all these people seem to notice me. Girls write me down and then they cry for me like Jodeci. People ask me where I'm from, I tell them from that D.C., Southeast D.C., but hold it down for PG. Dropping mixtapes and I ain't never sold a CD. I must be invisible, cause Lane can never see me. Do it, yeah boy, I do it. I got all these people around me like I'm starring in a movie. And your girl wanna see me, matter of fact, she wanna do me. So I let her get a taste like she sipping on a smoothie. That banana Fanta really tasting great, and so I let her go and wait like she couldn't get a date. Don't get mad at me, cause it's ozone tape. My name T.I.E., I'm too classy for a fake nigga.
It's only two men I fear when it comes to a battle. God in my shadow, everybody else get unraveled, tangled, mangled, totally disabled. Hung from a roof, watch him dangle. Then I make your wife feel a pain too. Anal, Joel Santana, forget those busters. The boy flow harder than Kimbo's punches. You boys better step aside, before I get it guys. You just bugs, I'm spitting that pesticide. You're not mobsters, wait, stop the fake. Or get found dead with your head in that pasta plate. Money in the bank, I benefit from my benefits. I'm making it while I'm spending it. You go to the Louis store, you go to the Gucci store, you go to the mall, spend it all, what he do it for? You could buy the rags, you could buy the bags, but it ain't no sign that say they sell swag. But you could watch me and do your best imitation. You'll need a little time, a little preparation, but sooner or later, you're gonna have to face it. I'm like the penthouse, you a fixed up basement. Far as chicks go, I get it, you take it. I give them all friends, they call me Nathan.
Lyrically, it don't matter, up and come on has be. I'm in your ass B, who's the next Raz B? Wordplay king, I'm not the one to scrabble with. The Rock's got more carrots in it than rabbits. Yeah, and after these ill lines, you might see why I lie. I need a deal signs, cause everybody coming in the year is failing. Ask why, and they just play Sarah Palin. I'd rather be in Maui, Paris sailing. Cause when you in the lead, you don't care who trailing. So get your little money, you isn't a threat. When we was making it rain, you wasn't drizzling yet. Right meets death before the sauna. The swagger's like mine, cause I left it on the corner. So fly, I got a shop at the Sky Mall. And this summer we get more drops than eyeballs. Loose.
Yo, I tell you this much, hip-hop is not dead. Change gonna come just like Barack said. Money, power, respect like the Lock said. You'll be the man of the house, my pop said. Heat the streets up right quick, it's all timing. Gucci everything, Sierra Leone diamonds. You can know so much yet, but know nothing. If I don't know nothing else, bet I know hustling. This ain't even a rhyme, it's a controlled substance. Strictly iron swinging, no tussling. I just do business, I don't do friends. Brand new M1s and 9MMs. As long as money's involved with it, I'm in. You ain't gotta second guess the best, I'm him. I will wrap circles around these new Urkels. Everything's digital, hers are still purple. So I'm staying in my lane till it open up. I'm like a sponge in the game, just soaking up. Bygone, I deserve a hit. I know you heard it, Kiss, this is the cipher, I murdered it.